I'm Emma. I live with my partner Tom, my 4-year-old Ollie and our baby Sophie. I love my kids more than anything, but since Sophie arrived, life's been a bit overwhelming. I'm at home with Ollie and Sophie most of the time. Tom works long hours, so we hardly see each other. And when we do, we're both so exhausted that it feels like we can't talk anymore without it turning into an argument. Then one day I realised Ollie is hearing it all, and that just doesn't feel right. I go to the local children's centre for baby group every week. Tom and I had an argument that morning, but Maya, one of the family workers, noticed I seemed a bit out of sorts and asked if everything was okay. I ended up telling her things that had been a bit difficult at home. Oh, she was really understanding. She said having a new baby can put pressure on relationships, and lots of couples find themselves arguing more. She told me about a short course they run called Managing Healthy Relationships. It helps parents understand why disagreements start, what can make arguments escalate, and we learn better ways to communicate. I was a bit nervous about going at first. The idea of talking about your relationship with strangers felt daunting. You start worrying people might judge you or think you're doing something wrong. But when I got there, everyone was really friendly. There were other parents there and everyone understood how tough things can get sometimes. We talked about what causes arguments and how they can quickly escalate. Now, one of the activities we did showed how disagreements can start small and then grow quickly, and how a different response can calm things down before they get out of hand. Some dads come along to the course. Tom couldn't always make it because of his long hours. What I learned on the course started to change things at home. I found better ways to talk to Tom, to start conversations more gently, and to really listen to him. And he started to listen to me more too. Now when things start to build, I pause, take a breath, and we handle things differently. Now when the kids are in bed, or even when we're on a walk, we try to talk things through before they escalate, and it's made life a lot easier. We still have our moments, but our home feels much calmer now. And I know that makes a big difference for us all, especially Ollie.